Most VW key fobs, from older Golfs to newer models, use a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. To start, locate the seam on the fob, usually near the key ring. Use a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to gently twist and separate the two halves. Avoid forcing it to prevent damage. Once open, you'll see the battery held in place by a clip or spring. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Knowing this orientation is crucial for inserting the new battery correctly. Some models might have slight variations, so always handle with care. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery and insert the new one, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up, matching the orientation you noted earlier. It's recommended to use high-quality batteries like Panasonic or Energizer to prevent leakage. Once the new battery is in place, snap the key fob case back together securely. Finally, test the fob by locking and unlocking your car remotely. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. If problems persist, consider that some dealerships require reprogramming if the key fob encryption is disrupted, though this is rare after a simple battery swap.